Hey everybody, have you ever wished for a better world? A world with more opportunities, more freedom, and more time for the things we love? I know I have. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the challenges we face. But what if I told you there's a reason to be hopeful? What if there's a way to create a brighter future for everyone? That's where ONPASSIVE comes in. ONPASSIVE is like a ray of sunshine breaking through the clouds. It's a company with a heart, a company that's using technology to make a real difference in the world. And the best part? It's just getting started. I'm so excited to share what I've learned about ONPASSIVE with you today. Get ready to be amazed. Because ONPASSIVE isn't just changing the game, it's creating a whole new playing field. Before we dive in, please like, comment, and subscribe below. It would help me out a lot. Thanks. Okay, so what is ONPASSIVE exactly? In a nutshell, it's a platform that uses the power of artificial intelligence to help people achieve their dreams. Think of it like having a super smart assistant working for you 24/7, helping you build a successful online business. But ONPASSIVE is more than just a business opportunity. It's a movement. It's about empowering people from all walks of life, giving them the tools and resources they need to succeed on their own terms. It's about creating a world where everyone has the chance to live their best life. Now I know what you're thinking, Ellen, that sounds amazing, but is it too good to be true? Trust me, I had the same thought. But the more I learned about ONPASSIVE, the more I realized this is the real deal. This is a company that's walking the walk, not just talking the talk. Close your eyes for a second and imagine a world where everyone has the opportunity to achieve financial freedom. Imagine a world where people have more time to spend with their loved ones, pursue their passions, and make a difference in their communities. That's the world ONPASSIVE is helping to create. With ONPASSIVE, gone are the days of struggling to make ends meet, of feeling trapped in a dead-end job, of missing out on precious moments with family and friends. ONPASSIVE empowers you to take control of your life, to design a future filled with purpose and abundance. It's about breaking down barriers, creating a level playing field, and giving everyone a shot at success. It's about using technology for good to uplift humanity and create a brighter tomorrow, and that's something I can definitely get behind. Section 4. But how does it work? Now you're probably wondering how ONPASSIVE actually works. Well, that's the beauty of it. You don't need to be a tech whiz to benefit from ONPASSIVE. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. ONPASSIVE provides you with a complete suite of digital marketing tools and resources, all powered by AI. This means your business is constantly learning, growing, and adapting to the ever-changing online landscape. And because it's all automated, you can focus on what truly matters, living your life to the fullest. But ONPASSIVE is more than just a set of tools. It's a community. When you join ONPASSIVE, you become part of a global family of like-minded individuals who are all committed to supporting each other's success. It's about collaboration, not competition. It's about rising together and creating a brighter future for everyone. Section 5. Real people, real change. Don't just take my word for it, though. There are countless stories of people from all walks of life who have had their lives transformed by ONPASSIVE. People who were once struggling to make ends meet are now living their dream lives, free from financial worries. People who felt stuck and unfulfilled are now pursuing their passions and making a real difference in the world. Take Sarah, for example. She was a single mom working 2 jobs just to keep a roof over her head. She was exhausted, stressed, and felt like she was missing out on precious time with her kids. Then she discovered ONPASSIVE. With the support of the ONPASSIVE community and the power of the platform, Sarah was able to quit her jobs and build a successful online business. Now, she has more time and freedom than she ever thought possible. Or how about John, a retired teacher who was looking for a way to supplement his income and stay active? He was skeptical at first, but he decided to give ONPASSIVE a try. To his surprise, he found it incredibly easy to use and was amazed by the results. Now John is enjoying his retirement more than ever, traveling the world and spending quality time with his grandkids. Section 6. Jump in, the future is waiting. So, what are you waiting for? The future is here, and it's called ONPASSIVE. Join the movement that's changing the world, one person at a time. Embrace the power of technology, community, and a shared vision for a brighter tomorrow. ONPASSIVE is more than just a company. It's a beacon of hope in a world that often feels uncertain. It's a reminder that together, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. It's a call to action to create a future where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. The time for change is now. The time for ONPASSIVE is now. Take a leap of faith and join us on this incredible journey. Together, we can make the world a better place, one click at a time. Section 7, ONPASSIVE, making the world a better place, one click at a time. ONPASSIVE is a game changer. It's a company with a heart, a vision, and the technology to back it up. It's about empowering people, creating opportunities, and building a brighter future for everyone. I'm so grateful to be a part of the ONPASSIVE movement, and I can't wait to see the incredible impact it will have on the world. Join us, and let's make history together. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how it can help you build a second income, please go to the description below. Thank you very much and have a great day.